Hello friends, hope you all fine. Actually, today I'm going to say some truth. First, I thought that I will not make this video. Then, after I thought that no, I should make it because if I will hide this one, it's not good. Okay. Actually, I have attended a training program, right? That is conducted by TTT Sleepwell Foundation, organized by managing trustee Namita ma'am. And this is a 6-day train the teacher online program. And who is the trainer here? Miss Disha. Okay. And I don't want to tell her Disha ma'am because she is not having that quality I am thinking. Why I will tell later. Okay. She is giving certificate to 83 participants. Okay. So what actually she is not having that plan. She is not having that means quality, how to train the teacher, everything. What I learned from this workshop. Okay, learned from this program. And actually in every feedback form, whatever she is telling, whatever she was telling at that time, in every feedback of her, I have given very satisfied, means 5 out of 5 marks. Is okay, she is trying something, that's why I have given. Okay, nothing else. And first I thought that I will not tell and I will not tell this name and this organization name. I will not tell anything about it. Then after I thought that no, it's necessary so that I am telling. Okay, so first she added me in my WhatsApp group, sorry, in her WhatsApp group. Okay, to 83 participants she added. And what happened, suddenly he removed one participant from her list. Do you believe this? How this kind of people are doing training program to teachers, I don't understand. Okay, how she is thinking, maybe she is very capable, right? So she is adding and she is removing. Okay, although I have attended all the 6 days program, I got the mistake certificate, RASHMI, REKHA, and title is not available. Okay, so I have written just one line in that WhatsApp group. Please don't do. Actually, she had given 3 times. Actually, she had given to all the people that today I will give the certificate, today I will give the certificate, today I will give the certificate. Like this, from 3 to 4 days, she is just harassing to the people. And in her WhatsApp group, all the teacher they are sending some message. But as a principal, I know she is busy, maybe 83 participants, it will take time, but I only write a single word. Okay, that because of her mistake. What is that mistake? She given the certificate spelling mistake, and I have written that one line: please don't do any mistake, send me the correct name. And I have sent that one. And 83 participants, and they are sending so many messages, but she is not removing anyone. Even gents teacher, you know how they are. Gents teacher, I am not telling to all the gents teacher. Some gents teacher, they are very angry and they are writing so many things, but she is not removing anyone. But she is having that power, because she is a teacher now. She is having that power. She can remove to a principal from her WhatsApp group. Okay, because she is adding for 6 days online program. Okay, so she can remove me. Okay, I am also having, I am not means I have I am not expecting any certificate from her, but as I have attended, I want my certificate, that's all. But as a principal, I am thinking I don't need this. Already I am having so many certificates, and certificate is not important, quality is important. Maybe she forgot that one. Okay, no problem. I thought that I will not tell her name, but my husband told no, people should know the people who they are. I thought that it's not okay if I will tell her name, she maybe feel awkward. Okay, but my husband is also a principal, and he is telling me that if someone is doing mistake, then you should flash her, because people should know how the program is, and how the program conducted by TISA, and how this organization is. Okay, so you just think, I am not saying that yes, if you are doing any mistake, say sorry, like this. I am not saying like this. And I am also saying, just writing one line, please don't do any mistake. You just think this line is you are thinking this line is any guilty in this line, means any mistake. If I am writing this line, you are having you are thinking that is it a mistake? I am not thinking that, because already so many times she asked my name, and I have also given 4 to 5 times my name and mail ID, but at last she suddenly removed me and not telling a single word. Okay, anyway, we have to face like these people, difficult people, and we have to face like this kind of wow, super people. Okay, and I'm thinking that you should know about this, that's why I have done this video. And nothing means important. Thank you everyone. As a principal, I am always tell the truth, so I am telling that one. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.